welcome back to the channel and welcome to my Christmas Decorate With Me video. I know that I am probably among the last people to decorate for Christmas. I am decorating right after Thanksgiving. It just makes it easier for me to do it and then enjoy it for a reasonable amount of time. I get bored with my Christmas decorations rather quickly, so between Thanksgiving and the end of December, I'll be ready to get it all down. So I don't want to be stuck with it a lot longer than I need to. So I save that time and I just wait and do it after Thanksgiving because that seems like the sweet spot for me and I don't get bored with it. So let's go ahead and start decorating for Christmas. Interesting fact is that our tree is already up. Aiden has two pieces of decorations that he wants on the tree, so I'll let him put it on there. I am trying something different with my ornaments this year, so we'll work on it together. I don't know if it's going to be on this video, but hopefully it is. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I am really just leaning towards not decorating the Christmas tree because it's beautiful as it is, but we'll see how that goes. So to get me up and moving, I'm going to start with decorating other areas of the house and then we will work on the tree last. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I'm going to do with most of these is I want to put them up on a surface and then undecorate as I decorate and see how that goes. So let's start there. So last year when I was putting away my Christmas decorations, I decided to wrap some of these pieces in just paper, like whatever you have. You know, when you go to Home Goods and you buy something that's glass, they'll wrap it up for you. I usually save those and I just use those to wrap up some of my delicate items that I didn't want to put in too much work into cleaning this year. So like the velvet reindeer last year had like glitter and fabric pieces on it. I don't have that problem this year, so that is definitely very helpful. So I'm thinking that the rest will be the same. So we'll just see how they all turn out and then we'll make a conclusion after if it was a good decision to wrap them or not.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us
guys, so I did bring a couple of things to the front room and I want to go ahead and decorate this credenza first. I won't really decorate the table just yet. It might be among the last things that I do. So yeah, I just brought enough to decorate this credenza first and then we'll work our way. I'm not sure if I want to keep the same setups that I had last year this year. We'll see how that goes, but I don't know. We'll just go with the flow and see, if we like what we have together. If we don't, then we'll go ahead and switch it up.
Chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.
I want to put the red bow on this vase as I did in the front. It's a little bit off from the reindeer because that's like a deeper red or like a maroon, but it's closer to that house. So I'm just gonna cut a piece and put it on there. And by the way, I got this ribbon from Marshall's last year for $14.99.
the sea.